Welcome to Zeppelins and Cessnas. I'm your host, 90, and today's special guest, we have Fifi. Where'd he go? Say hi, Fifi. Anyways, I watched a bunch of freaking Ace Family, and now I'm a professional YouTuber now. The only thing I have to apologize, I don't have any kids to use in my videos, so. I have kitties, though. Anyways, first plan of the day on this restoration here is that we're going to figure out where I put my glasses, because I left my glasses here last week and I need them back. So hopefully we'll take a look around and we'll figure them out. What the heck? Okay, I don't have my notepad on me, but we have some cardboard. So with that paw print up there, I'm going to draw something like this. Right? We have some air horns. We have a door. A window. And the clue, where is it there? It looks like it's up there. But I don't really want to climb on top of the cab though. We have to figure out something else. Well, the reason it's kind of unsafe. We have no steps here at the moment.
A clue!
The heck? Maybe that will work. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. So, we got here. I'm not a very good drawer. That looks about right. So, let's see what we can do. Maybe if I take that out. Okay. There. What the heck? That's not very nice. Whoa. Anyways, welcome to episode 2 here. Last place I left you was I was going to fill that hole and then carpet and freaking rubber the floor of that. This is what I got to cover the hole. Just basically aluminum thing. Should fit pretty good. But I'm not going to do that today. I don't have a lot of time. What I got instead is that these got painted. These are the caps for the inside windows there in the back, and the panels for the electronics. I bought some 2-gauge wire, and I'm going to hook up the power inverter on the other side and start doing some of the bunk. Oh my god. Some of the bunk wiring over here. So I got this, gonna hook that into the wall, plumb the wiring, don't have a fuse yet, who cares? And then I'm going to try wiring those panels today. We'll see how far we get. So I'm going to put this underneath this piece of wood here, like this. It'll probably get my height. And then sort of like that, I imagine. And I'll drill my holes, and I'll probably cut little circles around the carpet since I already have the carpet in. And then put some squash nuts in through to hold that in place. I don't know if I should go up a little bit more. Maybe. I'll get another 2x4 and we'll see where it takes me. Okay, we have this guy. We have this guy, which is half the size. We'll see. This one might go up too far, so we'll try the skinnier guy first. That looks about right there. So we'll tuck it in a bit. Can't tuck it in too far because I still need to deal with those wires, but right about there should work. So the holes are drilled. I want to cut little circles around the carpet. I might just use a big drill and see how it goes, because I need to fit these. Oh, that's some good stuff. So, squash nut tool, have the nut in there. If it'd focus, there we go. So this tool basically squish down and it squashes the nut from the back end, so you don't have to use two hands because it holds it into the metal. So we stick it in and then squeeze down and then screw it out. And there you go. You have a squash nut in that hole. And then the back side, that's what it looks like from the back side there with the squash nut. Look at that. It's almost like I didn't measure at all. That's the benefit of being slotted though. I'll probably stick some washers in there to help it a bit better, but it's in there. So we'll look at getting some wires hooked up and then running the wires down to the batteries. So question of the week for you guys is I got a mechanical Cummins diesel. And I want to put an electronic lift pump so when I leave the truck for a while, if it doesn't stay primed, I'd have like an inline pump going into the mechanical pump. But my fear is I had a dream where, since it's a mechanical engine, it would just shoot diesel into the cylinder and basically hydrolock one of the cylinders, since technically I'd think one of the injectors would be open. But I'm not sure about that. If you guys have any like answers to that, to my question, that'd be helpful. I'm going to run the wire to the battery underneath the floor. So what I have to do is I have to lift up this rubber here. So I'll start by taking off this bracket. What I have to try doing If I could get my thing here. I have to try running the wire down through there, through the floor here, all the way to the front, and then underneath the front there's a plug that's not being used, so I'm going to use that for the wires. So wish me luck, because it looks pretty tight in here. We have our 2-gauge wire, 2-gauge welding wire, all purpose. Well, see if we can shove it under here. And our goal from here is to run this down with all this wiring. It kind of goes down and around and then back to the battery. What I'll do later is I'll get some little clamps to hold it there, so it's all nice and flush against it. But our issue now is on this side, we only have that much left. Okie dokie, it turns out that some red wire has magically appeared in my possession. I got the wire ran all the way through the floor, and all the way down there, and all the way to the battery. I dilly-dallied half the day, so that's about it. I thought I was going to get more in and get those panels in, but that'll be a different week. If you like this video, you can give it a like. If you don't like it, you can go away. Twin Sticks has a garage now. Peg has a garage. And now freaking Trucker Josh has leased a garage. And I wish I had a place inside to work.